Using the Project Insight REST API add-on allows admins to view and manipulate their live data from outside of Project Insight. This could be for presenting project reports in Power BI, for example. You must be an administrator to install the REST API add-on and create your API token. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to get started. First thing you want to do is come over here and click the add-ons. Next, click on Get More Add-ons and select the REST API Access add-on. Click Install. Click Configure. And here's the configuration page for the REST API add-on. The first thing you'll want to do is create a REST API token. Here you'll select the user context that you want the API token to run as. I'll select my name. You'll give the API token a name. I'm creating this for a Power BI demo, so I'll call it Power BI demo. And I'll give it an expiration date of in 1 month. And what I'm going to do is I'll click Enable Web App Access with API Token, which is required for accessing the API from outside of PI. And that will create the API token. So click Create Token. And it's created. Click OK.